Hello friends, I'm back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial, how do you fix the forgotten password for your Windows 10? If you have forgotten your password, you can see I'm going to enter the password and press enter key. You can see the password is incorrect. Try again. So if you are getting the error message like this, the password is incorrect. Try again. And you can see here's the password hints also, and here's the option to reset password. So when I click on this reset password, so let me try one more time. Okay, see again the password is incorrect. When I click on reset password, it is giving me the option. This feature requires removable media such as USB flash drive. Please connect a USB flash drive and try again. So you need a USB flash drive removable media in order to reset the password from here. So in this tutorial, I'll be guiding you step by step what all are the different steps that you can follow in order to recover your password, reset your password, or in one either way how you log in into your PC. So three things I'll be guiding you in this tutorial. So the number of steps I'm going to teach you. The either steps will definitely help you guys. I hope help. So let's begin with the first step. In this method, I'll guide you how do you reset with the password reset disk. So guys, you can see when I enter, the password is incorrect now. Now here it is, it's a reset password. So if it password is incorrect and you have forgotten, it's a reset password. So you need to have a password reset disk, because when you click on it, it will ask you for the USB removable flash drive. So here it is, password reset disk. So that you need to create before in the beginning itself when you are using your PC. So when your PC is working and you are using at that time only, when you create a password for your user account, at that time only you have to create a password reset disk. If you do not know how to create a password reset disk, I have left a link in the video description and comment section down below. You can follow the link. So if you do not have a password reset disk, you have to skip this step and try other several steps. So if you have a password reset disk, let me show you how do you reset with the password reset disk. So insert this disk into your PC properly. So USB drive, and once you insert it, just try to enter the password and press enter key. You can see incorrect. Click on OK. So now it gives you option to reset password. Click on reset password and you get this wizard, and then click on next, and then select a drive. It's a USB flash drive that you have inserted your password reset disk, and then enter your new password. And then after you can give a hints, and then click on next, and then click on finish. Now you can see you can enter your new password, one that you have done in the reset wizard. So new password, one that you have put in the reset wizard, and press enter key. Now you can see you are able to log in to your PC. So this was with the password reset disk. So if you do not have a password reset disk, you have not created it before, proceed to the next method. Okay guys, in this step we need a bootable USB pen drive or a DVD. So if you have a DVD ROM, you can use your DVD or a bootable, any bootable USB device. So I have a bootable USB pen drive for my Windows 10. If you are using another version of Windows, you need to have a bootable USB device or bootable DVD for those version of Windows. So you need to insert this bootable USB drive into or DVD into your PC. If you do not have a bootable device, what you're going to do, you have to follow the link in the video description. It's a step-by-step guide how do you create a bootable USB drive. So guys, now insert the drive into your PC. Now you can see is the power icon. You just have to restart the PC. Make sure your bootable device is inserted properly. and restart your PC. As soon as you restart, you have to continuously press like this Del key until and unless you enter the BIOS. So you can see here's the BIOS. Once you enter the BIOS, you can stop pressing. So Del key is moreover for the desktop. If Del key does not work and it do not allow you to enter the BIOS, you can press the F8 key continuously. If that do not work, you can try F12 key continuously. So any one of these key will definitely help you enter the BIOS. If you guys are using the laptop, you can press F2 key. You can press the F2 key or F1 key. You can use function key. You can press with the help of the function key, because here is a two different function. You can use it for volume and F2. So pressing directly F1 and F2 do not work. Tap the function key and then after press F1 and F2 to enter the BIOS. Inside BIOS, you can see here's the different keys and their function written over here. On the top, you're gonna choose the standard CMOS features. So different BIOS has a different settings. So anyway, you have to choose the boot order. So nothing in the inside. So you can see I don't have a boot order over here. So I'll choose something else. So go back. You can check the second one. Okay, you can see here's the boot order. I can change the boot order. First boot device, second boot device. So different BIOS has a different settings. So you can check it in a different option where you have a boot order. Some will be arranged in a different way, so you can check it in a different tab where you have a boot order. So you can see first boot device is a hard disk, so I'll change it to removable because I want to boot from a USB pen drive. And second, you can change to hard disk. So the first boot device is a removable pen drive and second boot device is a hard disk, so where I have operating system in a removable pen drive. Now you have to press the F10 key. You can see at the bottom here is a F10 to save. So now press the F10 key and press the Y for yes, and then after press enter key. You get like this. If your PC do not, if it is a desktop or if it is a laptop, even if you are getting like this, wait for a while. If it do not boot from a pen drive, okay guys, press any key to boot from CD. Press it quickly. Now give a moment to load the setup. So you have to press the enter key quickly because it will go away so fast, and if it goes away again you will get a log screen. So you have to enter the setup. In order to enter the setup, you have to press it quickly. As soon as you receive the message, press any key to boot from CD, press the enter key quickly, and then it will take you to the setup window. Okay guys, now you're going to click on next. We're not going to install, so as you can see, it's repair your computer. So you just have to click on this, repair your computer. I hope it's visible. Just click on repair your computer. And then after you can see this, click on troubleshoot, advanced option, and then here it is, system image recovery. Click on it. It's a Windows 10. You have to choose the operating system. You can see this. Now you're just gonna click on cancel this, click on next, and here you have advanced. Click on advanced. You are going to install a driver, so click on install a driver, click on OK, and then this will appear over here. Now in this you're going to choose, it's a this PC. Click on it and scroll it down, and you can see it's a number of drive. In this number of drive, you're going to choose the drive that contain a Windows and System32 files, your operating system, one that you have installed and you have forgotten the password. So maybe it should supposed to be a C drive, but here it is not a C drive. When you click on C drive, you'll see something else. So there are lots of drive. You just have to click on it and you have to check it out. You can see it's a boot X. When you click on boot X, you find our Windows files, but it is not. So never choose boot X. Just go back. Never choose boot X. If it is a boot X, you just have to exclude that. The boot X is not the drive. So this is neglect the boot X drive and choose other than boot X. And you have to find the Windows and System32 files inside it. So check one by one all the drives. Okay guys, you can see I'm going to click on this. This drive is empty. Now I'll check this drive E. So this is a work folder. Definitely this is not one. This is a okay guys, here it is. This is one we are looking for. It's a Windows file. I'll tell you once again, do not choose boot X or choose other than boot X. Even boot X got Windows file, but you do not have to choose boot X. Just neglect boot X. Other than boot X, you have to check one by one other drives and you have to locate the Windows file. So I've checked almost all drives, C drive, D drive, F drive, G drive, all the drive. I've checked it out. I found the Windows file in a C drive. Sorry guys, E drive. So other than boot X, there is only E drive where I have a Windows file. You can see other than boot X, it's only E drive. It's a local drive disk E. So E drive only got the Windows file. So get inside Windows and now you have to find the System32. So even if you want, you can tap letter yes in your keyboard and you'll see that will take you to letter yes, and here's a System32. Click on System32. Now inside System32, you have to find the letter magnify. So tap the M letter in your keyboard and search for the word magnify. You can see here it is, magnify. Give a right click on it and rename it. It should be renamed to magnify 1. So without any space, just type magnify 1 and press enter key. Currently it is not renamed, but it is renamed. You have to refresh it and again check it out. You can see it has been renamed to magnify 1. Okay guys, now you look for the CMD. So tap the letter C in your keyboard. So before that, here it is a magnify. You can see it's a magnify, it's already renamed. Make a note of spelling, M-A-G-N-I-F-Y, as it is. It's a capital M-A-G-N-I-F-Y. Just magnify, make a note of this spelling. Now you're going to type C for CMD. So somewhere you're going to find CMD. Okay guys, you can see it's a CMD. There are lots of files with the letter C, so it's going to take a little bit of time. Just keep on tapping C and you'll find CMD. Here it is, CMD. Now rename it. So we have made a note of spelling. It's a magnify, M-A-G-N-I-F-Y. It's a magnify. So do not make any spelling mistake. If you want, you can recheck it. M-A-G-N-I-F-Y, capital M-A-G-N-I-F-Y, and press enter key. You can see it is still CMD. So somewhere in a blank space, give a right click and refresh it. And again tap the C letter. Okay, now tap M letter because we have renamed it to magnify. So both, you can see, both is over here. Now magnify and magnify 1. So we have renamed CMD to magnify and magnify to magnify 1. So once we are done, now we're just going to close everything. Just close everything. Just turn off your PC and start it again. Okay, we are here. So this is where we forgot the password. You can see this is where we forgot the password. Now we are going to reset the password. So we have made our changes through a bootable drive to match a magnify and magnify 1. So here it is. Now when you click on now you can see this is a symbol. When you click on this symbol, you get option. You can see you get lots of option. Here it is a magnifier. When you click on this magnifier, it will open the CMD. Magnifier, it will open CMD. Here it is. Now you have to type some of the command over here. So the first command you need to type is net space user and press enter key. So here it is my account MK. Now the next command you need to type is, so this is the next command after you need to type, it's a net space user space, this is the MK. You have to type your username. Right now when I was trying to log in into my PC, you can see my username is MK. And here it is showing me the list of the username, and this is the username MK. So net space your username. You have to type your username and then space asterisk. So type it as it is. So net space user. It is a net space user space your username. Mine is MK space asterisk. You're gonna type your username and press enter key. So once you press the enter key, it can ask you type a password for your user. So for a while leave a password is empty. So do not type any password, press enter key. Retype the password. So I'll just leave it empty and press enter key. So you see the command completed successfully. If you want to keep some password, you can put the password. Otherwise you can just leave it empty. That means there will not be any password. So the command completed successfully. Now you just have to exit it, press enter key. Now you just try to sign in. Alright guys, finally we are able to log in into the PC now. So in this way you can just log in into your PC. If you have forgotten your password, you can get into your PC. It's very simple and very easy. Okay guys, we made a small changes, so we are going to make it as it is now. We get inside C drive and Windows and System 32. It's System 32. Here it is. System 32. Inside System 32, we're going to tap letter M for magnify and magnify 1. Here it is a magnify and magnify 1. So it should not be magnify, because every time you want to launch CMD, you have to press Windows and R key and magnify to launch it. So we'll change it back to CMD. Alright, CMD. And we'll change this, click on, it will ask you for the permission, click on continue. Click on yes. Try again. Okay. Okay guys, it do not allow us to change from here. So what are you guys gonna do? Again, you follow the same step, previous step. Go back and boot from CD, and again change magnify to CMD and magnify 1 to magnify. You're gonna change magnify 1 to magnify and magnify to CMD. You just have to go back, boot from CD, and as we have done, you just follow the same procedure and you change it back. But you don't have to follow the command prompt procedure guys. The command prompt procedure was only to reset the password, to remove the password or change the password. So command prompt method was only to reset the password. So just go back to the same steps, boot from CD, and change this magnify to CMD and magnify 1 to magnify. And do not follow the command prompt method. So that was only to reset the password. What you guys gonna do now? Just close it. Or you can leave it as it is. It will not cause the problem. Every time you want to open the CMD, over here is instead of CMD, you have to type magnify over here. And you can open the CMD. Because if you type CMD, it will not open the CMD. You have to type a magnify to open the CMD, because we have renamed it to magnify. I'll just go back to the same place and change it, make it as it is, and you can log in into your PC. In next step guys, you can see you have to make sure that your PC is logged in with a local account or a Microsoft account. You can see right now my PC is logged in with a local account. sometime your PC will be logged in with a Microsoft account. You can even sign in with a Microsoft account. So if you have logged in your PC with a Microsoft account, you have signed in with your Microsoft account and forgotten the username or the password, you can recover this password online. So you can use your friend's laptop or you can use your own cell phone to recover the password. It's very simple and easy, and you can sign in to your PC. In case if you are using a Microsoft account to log in your PC instead of a local account and you have forgotten the password, you are not being able to log in the password, you are not being able to log in your PC, let me show you how you guys gonna recover the password. Okay guys, here it is. You can use your friend's laptop for a while or you can use your own cell phone. You just have to open the browser and here's the link. You can see, because it is the same password for your PC, same password for your email account, one that you have used to log in into your PC. Here it is, you can see account.live.com/password/reset. So you have to visit this URL, just type this URL as it is in your cell phone browser, or you can use your friend's laptop to recover your password. So once you visit this URL, you just have to enter your email over here, one that you are using to log in into your PC. So okay guys, you're gonna see it's gonna say you need to verify your identity. So if you have used any kind of recovery email or recovery phone number in your Microsoft account, you just have to check this box and you'll have to enter the 4-digit of your phone number. And once you enter the 4-digit of your phone number, it will you can click on get code and you receive a code in your phone. So you enter that code and you can reset your password, and again you can use that password to log in into your PC. If you're using a Microsoft account to log in into your PC and if you have forgotten the password, this is the way you can reset. The next way, you don't have a recovery email, let's say you have forgotten your phone number also, you have lost your phone number, you are not using that contact anywhere. So for a time being, even you can get that number from your telecom company. Even if you have forgotten your SIM card, you can get the SIM card on the same number because you have accessed it before, if it is really very necessary. Otherwise, you can, if you have any kinds of code, you can just enter the code, or you do not have any of these, so click on. When you click on I do not have any of these, you will see this page where you got to give your email address. So that you can give the email address of your friends or the family member, or if you have another email address, some other email account you are using, you can give those email address, because one that you are using right now you are not able to access, you have forgotten your password, so you have to give the another email address, which one that you are accessing you are able to access, so that you can get the message from the Microsoft. So you will get the message from Microsoft, you have to check the message and then you have to click on the link that you receive in the message, and you just have to answer some of the questions through that link. If you are unable to answer those questions, you might not be able to access to the account and you might not be able to reset your password. They will not allow you to reset the password, so you just have to confirm your identity. And if you are unable to confirm your identity and answer those questions, you may lose your account and you may have to format your PC, or you can go to the nearby Microsoft service provider store and you can get help personally. So guys, if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you in the next tutorial with another great stuff. Have a good day.